do you want to improve your workflow for doing SAP API Management? Then this is relevant for you. So last week we showed that we could take your CPI content repository, put it into Git, and you could then edit scripts, XSLT, and upload data directly with a Gradle plugin. We got a question, could we actually do this for API management? And the development could it. So this will also be in the build that we're creating next week. So the idea is that we take your API management, you connect it to the ERT that will then synchronize all of this content from time to time or whenever you want it. And it will then create a file or a structure like this where you have all the proxies and all the scripts and content below each proxy. So if I then want to do, for instance, a change of this one to 15, I'll save it. I can then upload it directly here, and I can run the test and see that it looks as I expect it to, but I don't even need to go and edit the script and anything like that. And this is especially helpful if you want to change some of these things that previously was not in the content. So right now you have the ability to edit also all of these files instead of manually editing zip files. So now we have deployed this to our service, we can obviously test it. We would then be able to go to our ERT, we can synchronize it, and then this will see that we got a new version. We can either do versioning in here. So we can see here we got a new version. We can do our comparison in here, like we have for a long period of time. So we can just compare here if we wanted to. So we can see what was specifically changed. And we can also go to our Git repository, check to see what was changed here. And so we can see what was changed. It was this file we had. We can see the diff here. We can see it was 10 now, now it's 15. And we can also see our resources here. The only thing is that you need to commit from one of the other first. So we'll just revert this one because otherwise we'll get a command that is strange. So now we got the value here, we have pushed all the data, and we have like a continuous workaround on doing these things. And obviously if you make changes directly to the API proxy, you can also just download it here. And then so if you're adding new scripts and anything like that, it's probably easier just to download the full script here, edit it, push it up, and once you're done, revert changes and use the ERT as a way to update your repository. I hope this was helpful and something you want to try out. Go to figaf.com/IoT, sign up, and then you will be notified once we release this. If you have questions, comments, please do let us know in the comment sections. Thanks.